The RW extension identifies a Revolt world file containing racing game world and environment data for the Revolt RC car game. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you manage or troubleshoot these game world files. From my years in support, there is an advanced proprietary solution I use when all other methods fail to open an RW file. Here's a sneak peek. RW files are world data files for Revolt containing racing environment definitions, including world mesh references, lighting configurations, skybox settings, and environmental parameters that define the visual and physical properties of racing tracks. Revolt RW files store world properties, including mesh file references, level of detail settings, ambient and directional lighting parameters, fog configurations, skybox definitions, and environmental effect settings for the track's visual atmosphere. The developer of Revolt, Acclaim Entertainment, created the original specifications for RW. Editing the file requires the specific proprietary environment not offered by Windows. Windows provides no functional preview, so viewing game data relies on compatible modding applications. We are looking for the exact software decoder. Right-click the RW file and select Open With. Use Revolt if installed. If it's unavailable, choose another program and check compatibility. If you still can't open the RW file, it's okay. Don't be confused by the error message. Here are the 3 most common technical reasons your RW file is not opening. First, loading world data. RW files are loaded automatically by the Revolt engine when a track is selected. They must reside in the track's directory alongside mesh files, textures, and other track assets. The engine reads world settings to configure the racing environment. Next, modifying world settings. Edit RW files using Revolt track editing tools or text editors if the format allows direct modification. Adjust lighting colors, fog distances, and sky settings to change the track's visual atmosphere. Test changes in-game to verify the visual results. Finally, community track development. When creating custom Revolt tracks, configure RW world settings to match your desired environment aesthetic. Study existing track RW files to understand parameter ranges and settings. The Revolt modding community provides documentation for world file configuration. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend FileMagick. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagick.com. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.